Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back on Nested Mango channel, guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber, and blogger. Currently, what I'm doing, I'm just creating my personal project. I'm working on my few personal projects. So whenever I'm doing something and I'm thinking that I can share with you, I will share on my YouTube channel so that you can learn what I am doing. And also, I just released my VR course, so I will share the link in the description. So anybody, any background he want to explore about the VR, so I have covered in this Udemy course. And basically, I have started from very beginning, use cases to just SDK's exploration, that how we can use for our application, and you will come to know that which framework you should choose the framework. And also I've explained about body tracking, like you can use the final IK as well as you can use the meta movement SDK. You can just check out. And also what I'm doing, like here you can see whenever somebody going to join and taking the membership, I'm also providing this information if somebody have taken the membership. So there are so many playlists which is available in this course. Also I provided on the for the membership user, you can grab by joining the YouTube membership. And also you will get the many things, and whenever you want to know that what are the things available in the membership, so just click here. If you have taken the membership, you will see so many useful tutorial you will get, and also you will get advanced level of tutorials. And few people are really saying that you are just going cheating with us. Whenever you are a YouTuber, you will know that how much money you make from the YouTube. You want to carry on your journey, so it is compulsory to make some money, and it is not very high money that anyone cannot afford it. So basically you are getting lots of stuff on the members, so you can go and check out. And also you will get my latest any course I will publish on anywhere like Udemy, but also I will provide here for the membership player. And let's start the today video. First of all, here you can see, and why it is, you can see the color are looking blue. Maybe it is a different kind of blue, but I'm not very much good in the color. But you know what it is saying, that whenever it is showing, so just turn off. So it is normal floor. And why I did that, so I use the NavMesh agent. And why we use the NavMesh agent, currently it is Unity 6. NavMesh agent we use for any NPC to just move around the scene. What I wanted, I created one area, that is gallery, where we are going to perform so many stuff, and you will come to know. And also one my application is going to launch, so I will provide link in the description. Also I will update you on the YouTube. So that is our metaverse, and it is almost complete. So we are going to launch, and we will try to get your feedback. So just try to play and share your feedback, and soon you will get much more application from my side, Nested Mango. So currently you can say I am just available to work on my project, as well as if I am getting work from any client. So if you are getting stuck anywhere, so you can just contact with me and I can work with you also. Basically NavMesh we use to just, let's suppose we have any NPC and want to walk around. So for NPC walking, you need a NavMesh agent, and there are two ways to perform. Like if it is the you can say floor, so you can directly add NavMesh floor. Okay, but there is a one way, that is very good way we are getting in the Unity 6. So they are saying that you can take any NavMesh surface. So you can see NavMesh surface, how you can take, go here, and here you will get AI NavMesh surface. So you have to perform this NavMesh surface. And in Unity 6 you are getting so many things, like you are getting the NavMesh link. Like let's suppose there are two area, one area and B area. So if there is something that you want to connect those area, so at that time we can also use the NavMesh link. And in the future, whenever I am going to use, I will share with you. So currently you have to get NavMesh surface. So basically you have to not, you can also add on the that mesh also, but in Unity 6 you are getting this thing difference. And after that you have to just bake this one. Before baking, make sure that what you are going to choose. So I have taken that it is a walkable, and whenever you are going to bake, so you will get blue kind of stuff. And if in case you want to change this thing, because what was happening, that I don't want my player just walk on any table. Like here you can see, here we have the table, so I don't want this. As well as what issue was coming, like here you can see blue area is also under the table. So what was happening, my npc was going there. I don't want this thing. So here you can see it is not baked here. So there are various way to do, but what I apply, that is most simplest thing I will share with you. So just wait for a second, but let me explain about this NavMesh surface. Here you can see you can also provide the slope. So what I did, you can go here and open edit setting, change this value. Here you can see, so your npc will be able to just walk on that surface on that height. But we don't want this. On the basis of that, you can perform your like radius. So whenever you are going to reduce the radius, so it will be closer to wall, and whenever you are going to increase, so it will be just away from the wall. Okay, and these are the area like walkable, non-walkable. So you have to just bake that thing. And in case if you have something that is your avatar going on that, like here you can see it was going here. So what I have to do, so whenever you are want to perform, so just go on that game object, and here you have to perform, that is the search on nav mesh, and here is the obstacle. So you have to choose the obstacle, but it is not only the you are choosing obstacle it will work. You have to just choose. So whenever you are going to choose curve, it will take some space, and you can manage this size, that how much space you want to get that thing. Okay, so I think this will be enough. So that is great thing, like we are getting this thing. So now I think it is okay that our player will not go there. And same I have edited here, but I have to manage this thing. So I thought that I should share with you also. Okay, and make sure that you are checking from every side. And there is another way, but I am just sharing with you NavMesh obstacle whenever you are going to perform the NavMesh obstacle. So same thing you can apply anywhere, and whenever you are moving your npc, so it will be go on that particular places. And here I have also performed same thing, so that our player does not walk on this or just straight and then walking on that place. So hope this video is helping to learn you, and just I'm performing anything on my project, so I will share with you also. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and don't forget to check out my Udemy course. Also you can join me here on the YouTube, so that you can grab so many advanced stuff here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.